literally see everything from here. This turnout is nuts. What did we do? What's going on, everybody? Today is the big day, part of the reason why we came to Texas, not just for Texas 2K, but to attend the Texas 2K M&M Events after party. There's a lot of stuff going on here. Let me show you what we got set up so far. We got a lot of drift cars over here. Tons of Zs, which is cool to see because I feel like being down in Texas, we've barely seen any JDM stuff. It's all American, domestic. Sylvia, I don't know what this is, S13, S14. Don't castrate me, but this is fire. And then this is where we were in the previous video, if you guys saw. We got a little drift pad here, some pounds to set up, a little bit more regulated than it was before. 2 more Zs. We're gonna see some VQs scream, unless they're LS swapped. A lot of stuff is LS swapped too, so I don't know. Really makes me miss my VQ, my red Nissan 350Z. I'll put a picture up here with this brutal wing, but I was 19, so can't say I have the best taste, but I liked it back then. We got some sheriffs here because we do things by the book in Texas. Hanny 720. Got the M3 and the Focus parked behind me. This whole lot is gonna start filling up very, very soon. Last year they had over 15,000 people here. Texas has some of the craziest builds I've ever seen. I mean, the size of this turbo is just ridiculous. Really haven't seen too many BMWs out here, as I said, so a fellow 240, big turbo. Awesome to see. I love this gray as well. If you guys didn't know, I was so damn close to buying a G42 M240 over my M2. Didn't feel like the switch from B58 to B58 would be worth it. But I mean, the 240, you can't go wrong. I feel like it is absolutely one of the best looking non-M cars. I don't know why, like it's so much better than if you compare the F-Series 240 to the F-Series M2. Like I think the difference on those two is way more drastic than this. Like this car is gorgeous. My net worth is BMW. That's the unreleased maxi merch. If you guys want to check it out, go to www.doubts.ca. Hey man, it winked at me first, all right? Oh my god, is this a f***ing Rocket Bunny kit? It is. Holy, this is so hard.
What car is this?
350Z. See?
Yeah, the headlight.
The headlight. I don't know, that's not part of the kit. I don't know what that is.
Yo.
I've never seen a wing like that. That's sick.
Cool, bro. This thing's clean.
Different. Oh my god, legends never die. Dude, I have a Juice WRLD tattoo on my knee. I have to find this guy. We could link up and sing All Girls Are the Same. Except for my girlfriend, she's not the same as any other girl. These are hella common here. I don't know why. Like I just know people come and they slap a Whipple on them, and they make like 700 wheel. I guess that's why actually. This is just poking through the hood. Oh my god. Gap cam on a truck. I'd probably lose to that, and then I would cry. Have you guys ever seen a 2J swap Tesla? Because I haven't either until now. It's really only been like 30 minutes maybe since I started this, and this lot is filling up. Coming from the track to here, I love seeing bajillion horsepower cars as much as the next guy, but it's also really nice to see some street cars that are more practical, more realistic, people that actually like to have fun and drive their stuff on the road. This thing's ready to go. I ain't doing that. As I said, the Beamers that are here, they know how to do it right. I've unlocked a new angle on the shipping container. You can literally see everything from here. This turnout is nuts. God damn, Texas. I think someone's about to jump a car on a scooter. I need that kind of motor reliability. So that was the drift competition. Now we're gonna watch a rev battle. This is the biggest front lip I've ever seen in my life. And also probably one of the nicest wide body kits I've seen on a Mustang. That's gorgeous. It looks like a perfect show car. So it was a split decision between the 300Z and the Mustang. So they decided to do a coin flip. 300Z won the coin flip and then somehow got talked into doing a best 2 out of 3, where if the other guy won, he would split the money and blow up his motor. For $250, blow up his motor. I don't know how he got finessed into that.
2, 1.
The dumbest coin flip ever. This dude then proceeded to rev his car and do anti-lag. I don't even know, for like, it had to have been 5 minutes. And that shit did not blow up. I don't get it. But yeah, Texas 2K after party by M&M Events, it did not disappoint. I got tons of DMs that since I was coming to Texas, I had to go and check out Yellow Belly, which is like a private drag strip. I don't even know. It's $20 to race your car, which is crazy cheap. And let me just show you the clip. This place is it's the most ghetto track or drag strip I've ever been to. Literally have people lined up right next to cars that are launching, doing burnouts. Like, it's so unsafe. It was fun. Definitely worth the experience. But damn, you would never get that back in Canada. There's a Tesla Plaid that we've been driving with up front that has had no front plate this whole time, and it's been pulled over twice.
No back plate.
Or sorry, no plates at all. There's a sheriff behind it. I'm calling it right now. We're gonna pull up behind them with our lights on. It's gonna get pulled over.
Look behind us, bro.
Oh my God, Victor?
No, it's this Audi.
Oh.
That or he's coming for me.
Oh. Oh, he is coming for you. Why is he coming for us?
I don't know.
What did we do? Do I need mine? I don't need mine, right? I feel like I see these videos, they always ask for the passenger's driver's license too.
Good evening.
Hello, sir.
Deputy Sims, Johnson County Sheriff's Office. The reason for the stop is your obscured plate.
Which one?
The cover over your plate.
Oh, the rear one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, you're not allowed to have that.
Oh, okay.
You got your driver's license with
Yeah,
you?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, you're from Canada?
Yeah, I'm from Ontario.
Yeah, we drove.
The
Okay,
laws
I
are a
was
little
looking, I was
different
like,
up
I
there,
don't know,
so
I don't
like,
recognize that plate.
yeah,
We
the
drove
laws are a
it.
little different up there, so that's why, like,
How long was your drive?
23 hours, man.
Where are you staying
Why are
at?
you saying that the laws are different there?
I don't know.
It's illegal there too.
I'm just gaslighting the fuck. I actually did notice every single car, none of them had plate covers.
Yeah, no, they don't.
No
They
cars
don't
have
run
plate
it. But
covers
yo,
on
I
them.
said this when I was in Victor's car on the way here. I said to him, like, you gotta take that off. It's so dark.
Mine?
Yeah, you can't read it.
Dude, I've never had an issue in Canada.
That's bad. It's really dark.
I've also never had an issue for my front plate. I think
Yeah.
cops just rate Fords.
Maybe.
I actually think so. I think it's like a domestic kind of thing. You know what I mean? All the cop cars are Fords.
We've been sitting for like 15 minutes right now. I think he's actually writing a ticket. Okay, no ticket, we're good. Just so you guys can see what the cover looks like, this is why we got pulled over. I told Owen he's gotta take this off. This is like, it's actually dark and it's literally just like a plate cover. It's nothing special.
It's not that dark. It says,
Bro, the more I could back up like right here, you can't really read it. As we were leaving the event, I noticed that Victor had a quiet plate over his actual license plate. This was the plate he tried to drive away with. So I kind of saved his life here, all right? Unfortunately, I couldn't save our own.